Coastal Plastic Surgeons opened its doors in 2001 and proudly serves San Diego and Riverside counties, regularly receiving referrals from over 300 physicians throughout the region. Coastal Plastic Surgeons is one of the busiest plastic surgery practices in the country. We're an esteemed Black Diamond member of Allergan, which elevates coastal plastic surgeons to the top 1% of all practices in the country for breast augmentations.
I'm Dr. Batra, and I want to thank you for visiting Coastal Plastic Surgeons. As you consider your options for cosmetic surgery, I would encourage you to come by and experience our practice. I grew up in Ohio, and my parents always stressed education. I attended Ohio State University and thought about a career as a writer, but after encouragement by my parents and my older brother, I opted to seek a career in medicine. As such, plastic surgery became an optimal choice for me in order to still have my creative outlet. I completed my plastic surgery training at UCSD Medical Center, and after that spent a year in Utah doing advanced facial surgery and cosmetic surgery. After that time, I came back to San Diego to open my practice here. Since that time, Coastal Plastic Surgeons has become one of the busiest and premier plastic surgery practices in the nation. We're extremely fortunate to have been awarded top plastic surgery practice by the San Diego County Medical Society, a distinction that's very important to us because it's been awarded by our medical and surgical colleagues in the community. Our reputation for honesty, integrity, excellent outcomes, and personalized patient care are second to none. I think our priorities are in the right place. Our goal is never to push surgery on you, but rather to educate you so you can make the right decision regarding your surgery. Remember, the most important factor in your outcome is the surgeon you choose.
Dr. Batra has been in practice since 1999 and is board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. He's been voted top plastic surgeon by San Diego Magazine and the San Diego County Medical Society in both 2010 and 2011. His work has even been highlighted in People magazine.
Hi, I'm Dr. Camberos. Welcome to our practice. My staff and I are prepared to discuss and help you reach all your plastic surgery needs. My approach to patient care is to take the time to really know who the person is, what their expectations are, what their interests are, and to convey to them that our relationship will be considered a privilege not only to me, but to my staff. When a person comes to see me, I listen carefully to the request. I formulate a personalized surgical plan in order for them to reach their plastic surgery goals. Ultimately, what I want is for them to feel that they're taken care of and that I'm available for them. My plastic surgery training at the University Hospitals of Columbia and Cornell and at the world-famous Bunkie Clinic in San Francisco exposed me to all facets of plastic surgery. The ability to operate on the whole body, restoring form and function, really inspired me to dedicate my life to plastic surgery. I believe doctors in the community consistently refer patients to our practice because they are confident that we will provide prompt, professional, and state-of-the-art care. We are dedicated to the individual, their specific needs, and to listen and answer all their plastic surgery questions. There are many stories that come to mind, but one that stands out is of a person who had plastic surgery in another country. She became very sick and required an intensive care stay. I eventually completed her reconstruction. She has since recovered and frequents my office to this day. I consider this one of my most memorable success stories.
Dr. Camberos received his medical degree in 1998, is double board certified with the American Board of Plastic Surgery and the American Board of Surgery, and joined the Coastal Plastic Surgeons team in mid-2006.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shaka Gillen, and I'm a pediatrician.
And I'm Dr. Vishaka Geigler, and I'm a dermatologist.
And we're twins. So I met Dr. Batra in training, and I felt that Dr. Batra was so kind and sincere. I really felt like he was such a nice, genuine person.
My first impression of both of them, I felt very confident. I feel like they know what they're doing, but I also felt they were very kind and they were very good to their patients. They really care. At this point, I've worked with Dr. Batra and Dr. Camberos on thousands of patients, and I have confidence in them because I've seen their work. They do an amazing job. They see patients in a timely fashion. They care about patients, and their outcomes are excellent.
I refer to Dr. Batra and Dr. Camberos because I trust them. They both have warm hearts. They treat patients like they treat their own family.
I've worked with both Dr. Batra and Dr. Camberos on a number of patients. Specifically, I've worked with them for skin cancer reconstruction. They've done a beautiful job, whether on the face, on the nose, on the ears, on the hands, or on the body. I've seen their work. I think it's fantastic, and patients have been very pleased with their results.
We're one of the top practices in the country for breast augmentation and reduction. Our trademark procedure, GBRX, makes Coastal Plastic Surgeons a leader in body contouring after massive weight loss. We also specialize in abdominoplasty as well as mommy makeovers and facial aesthetic surgery. We've received several honors and awards that place Coastal Plastic Surgeons above many other practices. Dr. Batra has even been showcased on The Oprah Show and in the LA Times for his work with docs. It's a charitable organization which he helped co-found that offers reconstructive surgery to patients in the US and abroad. Both Dr. Batra and Dr. Camberos travel internationally to do reconstructive surgeries on both adults and children.
Dr. Camberos is board certified by the American Board of Surgery and the American Board of Plastic Surgery. He has been recognized among America's top surgeons by the Consumer Research Council of America for the past 3 years. He's been featured in the San Francisco Chronicle and will soon make an appearance on the Discovery Channel for his work. Finally, his philanthropic work with Mercy Outreach takes him to Mexico to perform charitable missions.
Hi, I'm Dr. Diana Hoppy, and I'm an OB/GYN in Encinitas. I've known Dr. Batra for over 15 years, and Dr. Camberos for about 3 to 4 years. I believe they are the best plastic surgeons in San Diego, and I refer many of my patients to them. As an OB/GYN, I have many patients who've undergone childbirth, breastfed their babies, and now they feel like they just want a little bit of a tuck or some tightening. I believe that Coastal Plastic Surgeons really does an amazing job with listening to my patients, to their needs, to their actual desires. They want to look their best in their own skin, but still look natural, and I believe that Coastal Plastic Surgeon really does that.
If you're looking for premier plastic surgeons and excellent patient care, Coastal Plastic Surgeons is the place to be. Give us a call to set up a complimentary consultation and discuss your particular situation.